Alright, it says here we have a flash flood warning, but I don't know if that's anything we really need to worry that much about. Even if there's a flash, we'll probably be alright. Looks like our roads are actually better than those, so we're gonna hang up. To go back. Uh-oh. Oh, folks, I do not like the look of this. That dorsal fin is huge. Hey, George! George, you got the wrong shark! Get out of the water! George, get out of the water! Knock back under, you idiot! George!
You can approach the edge of the platform.
Welcome back.
Don't be frightened.
He's got a classic car collector staying in room 1 at the moment. Let's see who he's got in there. Sometimes Norman Bates' basement. It's a great place to unwind and just get away from it all. Okay, alright everybody. Whatever you do, not provoke Norman Bates. Basement getting higher. Norman, come on buddy. Norman, look out for him, Gar. He's coming right for you. Norman, you gotta sail. You gotta get some help, man. Seriously. Norman. You psycho.